How are you? We are fine.
Everyone, let's go to the farm. What animals will we see? Let's take a look. Cow, cow. Duck, duck. Sheep, sheep. Horse, horse. Cat, cat. Donkey, donkey. Turkey, turkey. Pig. Hey everyone.
What's it? What's it? It's a goat. What's it? It's a fox. What's it? It's a fox. It's a goat. It's an elephant.
It is an elephant.
It is goat.
It's a goat. Article ne?
Fox.
It's a fox.
It's an elephant.
It is an elephant.
It's an elephant.
Mhm.
It's a
Tortoise. Geçak.
Let's say thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Let's be grateful to one and all. Thank you very much. Let's say thank you to our mommy and daddy for this beautiful life. Always working hard with a smile. Thank you very much. Mommy, thank you. Daddy, thank you.